start.
Curiosity.
Hello folks, this is Ishwan. In this video, I'm gonna introduce the valuable resource of exchange, that is .connect. So now I will show you how can we use this platform created by the team AAC. So now let's get started by going to aacgrt.com. So in the navbar you can find .connect. So when you click on it, you'll just get redirected to another page and just click on the shop. So if you feel this is a long process, just type gratconnect.python anywhere.com. So now we can see there are two buttons, buy and sell. So if you wanna sell anything or just donate anything for free, use this web app as a platform. Now just click on sell, just fill in the details to sell or donate your items. So now I want to sell my mouse. So I'll just put it for 300. I'll just categorize to electronics. I will just upload an image of my mouse. I'll just include my email, some random email. So I can see all my details are disappear. So we can now we'll go and check in the categories page whether our product is added or not. Just go back to home, just click on a buy. So now we can see under electronics section our product mouse is added. So now I'll just go through this buy button. So if you want to buy things for at a low cost, or you can buy things for free, or some, you just go on click on the buy button. So now you can see the products are categorized. So now let's just go and buy this mouse. So when I should click this request button. When I click this request button, I will get a form to fill on. So I'll just fill this thing. I'll just put a random number. So I'll write a description. I want to buy for 250. Just I'll click on the send request. So now we'll see we are seeing a page called your details are saved. Soon the seller will contact you. So yes, so the seller will get the mail. So if he wants to sell to us, so he will sell, otherwise he will choose another person. So now we'll just go check on the mail whether the seller has got the mail or not. So now we can see here we got a mail from GRT Connect that hey, it's Rishi, we got a request from Rishi, wanna sell your mouse. So if I want to sell my mouse to buyer Rishi, so I'll contact this phone number and just set a deal with him. So if our deal is set it, so I'll just click on the accept button. So the product gets deleted from the database of .connect uh, web app. So now we can see here, thanks for using .connect, your product has been deleted from the database. So we'll just go back to home. So now we can see here our mouse will not be appeared. So that's it. This is how this we can use this platform like this. So it will be useful to the first year students